Hello everyone, this is Shipra Ernest and welcome to Code Decode. So today in this video we are going to learn how to swap list nodes in pairs. So we have been given a linked list. We need to swap every two adjacent nodes and return its head. What this essentially means is that we need to swap two adjacent nodes. Adjacent nodes are in general nodes which are next to each other. So we need to swap them, which means we are going to interchange them and we'll be returning the head. So in this particular 1 and 2 are the adjacent nodes and 3 and 4 are adjacent nodes. So we will be swapping or interchanging the values of 1 and 2, making it a 2 to 1 and 3 to 4 to 4 to 3. I hope it is clear. So I'm going to take a list node current and I'm assigning it our head node. And once that is done, I'm going to traverse through this entire linked list. So while my current is not equal to null and current.next is not equal to null, I'm going to create a new list node named temp and I'm assigning it the value of current. Once I assign it the value of current, next what I'm actually going to do is that current.value is equal to current.next.value. So I'm going to assign it the value of the next element. Right now I'm over here, it is 1. I'm assigning it the value of 2. And then current.next.value, which means current.next, which means I'm over here 2, I'll be assigning it the value of 1. So here we have performed the swapping. Once that is done, I'm going to connect the current element to the current next.next, which means this is 1, right? So I'm going to connect 1 to 3. Once 1 and 2 have been swapped, I'm going to assign the value of current to current.next.next. So my current will be 3 now. I'll be over here. So I'll be assigning it the value of 3 to temp and I'll be changing the value of 3 to 4 by following current.value is equal to current.next.value. So 3 will become 4, 3 has become 4 and current.next.value is equal to temp. My current is equal to current.next.next, which is going to be null. So we will be getting out of the while loop and we'll be returning the head node, which will contain our swapped list nodes in pairs. So by using this approach, we'll be able to solve this problem using O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity. Let's check the coding part of it. So I'm going to take a list node named current and I'm assigning it our head node. And I'm going to check whether our current element is not equal to null and current dot next node is not equal to null. We are getting into the while loop. I'm going to create a variable named temp of integer data type and we are going to assign current dot value to temp. Once that is done, we are going to officially start the swapping process. Current dot value is equal to current dot next dot value and current.next.value is equal to temp. I'll need to connect the first node to the third node. By skipping the second one, we are going to write current is equal to current.next.next. Once we have traversed through the entire linked list and swapped everything, once we reach null, we'll come out of the while loop and we'll be returning our head node, which will consist of swapped list nodes in pairs. So let's run this code and check how it fares. Great, it's working. So this is how we are going to swap list nodes in pairs in O of n time complexity. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Bye, see you next time.